In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently export data from Monday.com. This process is quite straightforward. So whether you're a seasoned user or new to Monday.com, this guide will walk you through each step seamlessly. Let's start by opening your Monday.com homepage. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a list of workspaces. Your first task is to select the specific workspace you want to export. This step is crucial because selecting the right workspace ensures you're exporting the correct data for your needs. Once you've selected the appropriate workspace, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the page. There, you'll spot a set of 3 dots, often referred to as a menu icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find various options that relate to your workspace settings. In the drop-down menu, look for the option labeled More Actions. Selecting this option will provide further items related to your workspace management, including export functions. Click on More Actions, and you're one step closer to exporting your data. Now, let's proceed to exporting the actual board. From the extended menu you've just accessed, choose Export Board to Excel. This option will initiate the process of converting your data into an Excel spreadsheet, which is a versatile format suitable for sharing and further data manipulation. At this point in the process, you're presented with a couple of additional choices. Here, you can decide whether to include any updates or communications directly on the exported file. If keeping a comprehensive record that includes updates is important to your work, be sure to select this option. Additionally, for your convenience, you have the option to email yourself a copy of the exported file. This is an excellent feature if you need to access your data remotely or want a backup sent straight to your inbox. Finally, once you've made all your selections and ensured everything is to your liking, click on Export. Now just give it a few moments, and your data will be exported to an Excel file based on the options you've chosen. Take note that the time it takes may vary depending on the size of the data you're exporting. And that's it. You've successfully exported your data from Monday.com. This process not only helps you maintain organized records, but also facilitates collaboration and sharing with team members who may not be using Monday.com. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to explore other videos for more tips and tricks on using Monday.com effectively.